Next, we're going to write an equation when given a verbal description. If you look at the figure below, you see our equation, y equals mx plus b. But now we've added some things. In between the m and the x, I have some keywords. Those keywords are per, each, every, n. These keywords within our verbal descriptions will help us to identify the number, which represents slope, as well as the word that represents our x variable. It could also help us identify which number should be our y-intercept as well. So let's take a look at an example. Example 5. A video game rental store charges a $20 membership fee and $2.50 for each game. So based on the keywords per, each, every, n, I have the word each. So I'm going to circle that word. And then I'm going to draw an arrow to the number in front because that is going to represent my slope. And then I'm going to draw an arrow to the word behind my keyword. And that is going to represent my x variable. Now the store also charges a $20 membership fee. My membership fee is going to be my b value. Now, once I've identified all of the key pieces of the slope-intercept formula, then I just have to write my formula. So then my formula should be y equals $250 x plus $20. And that should be my equation. So my slope was 250 and my y-intercept was 20. Once I sub it in, my equation equals y equals $2.50 x plus 20. Let's take a look at another example. Example 6. A river has a water level of 15 feet and is decreasing at a rate of 2 feet per hour. So if I take a look at my keywords, per, each, every, n, the keyword that I notice is going to be per. So I circle my per. The number in front is going to represent my m, and the word behind is going to represent my x. A river has a water level, which means it started out with the water level of 15 feet. So starting value means the 15 feet is going to be my b. Now, I always want to make sure that I go back and I read to ensure that I have everything labeled correctly. It says a river has a water level of 15 feet and is decreasing. Now here's the key word, decreasing. What does it mean to decrease? Decrease means I am subtracting or I am going down. So if I am decreasing at a rate of 2 feet, then that means this 2 is actually a negative 2. It's going to be a negative 2. So then when I write my equation, I want to make sure that I have y equals, I start with 15 feet, and I'm decreasing at a rate of 2 feet per hour. So I can write it as y equals 15 minus 2x. So I start with 15 and I'm decreasing 2 feet per hour. 15 minus 2x. Another way that this can be written is if I move it back to be in the form of y equals mx plus b. So writing it with my slope coming first. Now, if I write it with my slope coming first, remember that that negative is on my slope. So this would be negative 2x and because I started with 15, the 15 is going to be positive. So here are the two ways you could write this equation. Y equals 15 minus 2x. I start with 15 and I'm decreasing 2 feet per hour. Or y equals negative 2x plus 15. It's the exact same thing,